How to fix low TV sound is a common issue many people face and can be resolved with a few simple steps. First, check the TV's volume settings to ensure it is turned up and not muted. Sometimes, the mute function can be accidentally enabled, so make sure to check this first. Next, check the TV's audio settings. As some TVs have multiple audio modes, such as surround sound or stereo, try switching between these modes to see if it improves the sound quality. Additionally, check if the TV's equalizer settings are enabled, as this can also affect the sound quality. Another possible cause of low TV sound is the connection between the TV and external devices, such as a soundbar or home theater system. Check the cables and connections to ensure they are secure and not loose. If using an HDMI connection, try switching to a different HDMI port or using a different HDMI cable. It's also important to check for any software updates for the TV, as these can sometimes resolve audio issues. To do this, go to the TV's settings menu and look for the update option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install any available updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be worth resetting the TV to its default settings. This can usually be done by going to the settings menu and looking for the reset option. Keep in mind that this will reset all of the TV's settings, so you will need to reconfigure them after the reset. Finally, if the issue persists, it may be worth considering consulting the TV's user manual or contacting the manufacturer's customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix low TV sound and enjoy a better viewing experience.